Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to dive into the brand new TCL 43-inch Q65 QLED 4K UHD Smart TV with Google TV, the 2024 model. Check the link below to get this today at the best price available. If you're looking for a top-tier TV that combines stunning picture quality, advanced smart features, and incredible value, this might just be the perfect option for you. Let's jump right in. Design and build quality. The first thing you'll notice about the TCL Q65 is its sleek and modern design. With its ultra-thin bezels and slim profile, this TV looks great in any setting, whether wall-mounted or on a stand. The build quality feels solid, and the minimalist stand provides sturdy support without distracting from the screen. Picture quality. This TV truly shines in the picture quality department. The QLED technology offers vibrant and lifelike colors, and with 4K UHD resolution, everything from movies to sports to video games looks incredibly sharp and detailed. The quantum dot technology ensures brighter colors and deeper contrasts, making for an immersive viewing experience. Whether you're watching a dark, moody thriller or a bright and colorful animated movie, the TCL Q65 handles it all with aplomb. HDR performance. The HDR support, including HDR10 and Dolby Vision, takes the visual experience to the next level. These technologies enhance the color and contrast, delivering an outstanding level of detail and realism. Shadows are deeper, and highlights are brighter, providing a picture that feels truly three-dimensional. Smart features and Google TV. Running on Google TV, the TCL Q65 offers a seamless and intuitive smart TV experience. You get access to a vast array of streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and more. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, and the built-in Google Assistant allows for voice control, making it effortless to find your favorite shows, movies, or even check the weather. Gaming performance. For the gamers out there, this TV does not disappoint. The low input lag and smooth motion handling make it a great choice for gaming. The Auto Low Latency Mode ALLM ensures that your TV automatically switches to the best settings for gaming when it detects a console, providing a lag-free and responsive gaming experience. Audio quality. The TCL Q65 also delivers on sound. The integrated speakers provide clear and balanced audio, with Dolby Atmos support for a more immersive sound stage. While it might not replace a dedicated sound system, the TV's audio performance is more than adequate for everyday use. Connectivity. This model comes with ample connectivity options, including multiple HDMI ports, USB ports, and support for both Wi-Fi and Ethernet. This makes it easy to connect all your devices, whether it's a gaming console, Blu-ray player, or sound system. Final thoughts? In summary, the TCL 43-inch Q65 QLED 4K UHD Smart TV with Google TV, 2024 model, is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment setup. It combines top-notch picture quality, excellent smart features, and solid build quality, all at a competitive price point. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or just looking for a great all-around TV, the TCL Q65 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning into this review. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. See you next time.